Hi guys, my name is Zoran and today I'm going to show you a simple way to make $1,500 a month on Fiverr. And for this method you don't need any special skills, you don't need any expensive softwares. It is a beginner friendly, and because it's on Fiverr it is worldwide. And this is actually transcription jobs. I already talked about these kind of jobs in one of my previous videos, link in description. And for those of you who don't know what transcription jobs are, you literally need to type what you hear in the video or audio. And everybody who knows how to read and write can do these jobs. And if you stay with me to the end of this video, I will actually show you how to transcribe 1 hour video or audio in just 10 minutes. But before we begin, if you are into making money online and internet marketing, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload new videos. Okay, let me jump in my computer and we are going to start. When you come to Fiverr.com, go on Writing and Translation and then go on Transcript. And you will see lots of people offering this kind of service. And that means that there is a big demand, there is a big market for this kind of services. And when you actually look at this woman, she will transcribe 60-minute audio or video for 38 euros, that is $40. And she has 317 reviews, and not everybody who buy your gig will leave a review. So I'm guessing she made at least 400 sales. So this is more than $16,000. This guy, 160 reviews for $5, 28 euros, sorry. And when you see people who are offering this kind of services for $5, that means that they will transcribe 10 or 15 minutes video or audio for $5. And even though I said this is a simple job, but this is by no means easy thing to do, because for a 60-minute transcription you usually need 3 or 4 hours to do this. And that is because you will lose focus, you won't hear something correctly, so you have to go back. You will make errors, you need to correct those errors. And it is hard for your back, it is hard for your eyes. It is not easy thing to do. But there is a simpler, easier and faster way to do that. And best of all, it's totally free. And all you need is YouTube channel. Now I would recommend to create a new YouTube channel for this purpose. I'm here on my YouTube channel, and I will not show you how to upload video on YouTube, because I'm guessing you all know how to upload video on YouTube. And when you are uploading video on YouTube, always select the language. And when you upload video, go on that video, for example this one, and below the video click on these 3 dots and then click on Open Transcript, and YouTube will open transcript. And all you have to do, copy this transcript, paste it in Notepad or Word or whatever, and send it to your client, and that's it. Now I would strongly recommend that when you finish this, you delete this video or audio, because you do not have rights for that video. That is your client's video and you should delete it. And I would also strongly recommend to always read the transcript before you send it to client, because YouTube is doing this automatically, which means there are errors. You will need about 5 or 10 minutes to read it and to correct those errors, and send it to your client. As I mentioned before in the video, people usually charge $25, $30, $40 for this kind of work, and there is no reason for you to charge less. I mean, why would you make less money when you can make more money for less work? So you're probably thinking right now, well, how do I compete with these people? I'm just starting my gig. Well, you have one huge advantage over them. They need 3 or 4 hours to finish the work. You need 10 to 15 minutes. So all you have to do is to say that you will deliver the work in 1 hour or in 6 hours, whatever suits you the best. And what you need to do, you need in your Fiverr thumbnail image, just say that you will deliver the work in 1 hour. And trust me, people will order your gig just because of the fast delivery. And if you do a good job, they will actually give you 5-star reviews. And the more 5-star reviews you get, you will rank better on Fiverr. And Fiverr will send you more buyers. And in 1 year, you will get 1,000 sales. And then you will make $25,000, $30,000, $40,000. So that is how you make $1,500 on Fiverr in 1 month. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye.